5, 6.
Second hold. Slowly. 7, 8. Walk 1, 2, 3, and the 4. Sway 5, 6, 7, and the 8. Sweep 1. Behind and hitch. Behind and step. Half, half, half quarter. Sailor step. Sweep. Sweep. Behind and step. Lock, hitch. Back, look, sweep. Walk, walk. Sailor.
Hey guys, 16 counts left and the dance is finito. Rock, step, shuffle half turn. Rock, step, shuffle half turn. Step with the hold and weave to the right. Step with the kick and the yes! Are you ready? Yes! That's better. Okay, there we go. Slow down, don't panic. 7, 8. Cross, sweep, left. And cross behind and sweep right. Cross over and hold. And 5. With the coaster step, step, cross shuffle, turn around with the hold, rock step back with the scuff right, cross over and touch, better. Sweep, hold, rock step, cross shuffle, turn around, rock step back, touch, my part, rock step. Heel and heel and heel, heel and heel and heel.
Hot step back, hot step triple. To this side, with the tip, heel ground, by the tail, and we have it, okay? And it's gonna say, let's go, okay? And then we go. Wall number 3, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and mambo back, triple step and turn left, right, left, jazz box and come together. And you put it here. And now you're gonna look for Simba. So do you see Simba somewhere? Okay, you need to keep looking for some counting. Skate, mambo, triple step, turn, jazz box, from the top.